Hi all, I'm recording this video to install the Pig software on our virtual machine to do our Pig related activities. So let me share my screen. So there are some steps is involved to download your software. There are 4 steps. One is like we have to go into particular site and get the tar file location, and using wget we are going to download the complete software, and next we have to untar that one. And the third one is we are going to set some of the prompts in a bash RC file, and the fourth one is whether we are going to check using pig bash version to make sure that whether it's working, I mean the installation is successful or not. Okay, so before you proceed further with this video, if you did not start your VMware, please start VMware and get ready with that. Okay, so I've already got my instructions here. So let me open the terminal here. Okay, let me open the terminal here. Okay, here is my terminal, and I got already instructions put here. So let me copy this one. Okay, this is the actually URL that you have to go and get this tar file completely. Okay, so please make sure this is the correct file name. Okay, so we'll be having more with the similar kind of files in that location. Get this one. Okay, so I'm just copying here and just hitting enter. Wget is the command to download your software from the web. Okay, so anyway, so started downloading. You can see here it started downloading. It will take 2 minutes. Please bear with me. I'm not going to stop recording this one, so it will take 2 minutes. So let's wait on that to complete this tar file. Okay, zip file. Okay, almost completed, at least 85%. Okay, so okay, the version that we are downloading here is pig 0.15. Okay, that you have to remember. So it's done almost. Okay, this is done, and if you issue the ll command here, you should be able to see the downloaded one. You can see here downloaded one. Okay, so let's untar this one. Okay, to untar this one we have one command, that is tar xgvf, and your tar name is the one which we have to push. Okay, so this will untar means download everything into one file which will be extracted on your same location from wherever we are running. So it will take probably 1 more minute. Okay. So these many files are there within that. So it's indirectly like all files whatever we have used to run your pig. Still it's extracting. Okay, it's done. So if you give LL here, the same thing you can see here, one file has extracted pig 0.15.5. Okay, instead of giving every time this one, we can create the alias name for this one, which is like small name. Okay, instead of give that pig dash 0.15 dot 0 every time, I'm just giving the alias name as a pig here. So it will, if you see, the extension will be created for pig. So going forward, when I type pig, this path will be invoked. Okay, this is a kind of shortcut. So once that is done, so we have to set some prompts in our bash rc file. Okay, to open bash rc is very important. Please don't play with that. Okay, just do your things and come back without affecting other thing. Okay, you have to open bash rc. This is the command for bash rc. Bash rc. Okay, this is the command. gedit is the one command that will be using, and bash rc. Within that, okay, this file will be opened in the other window. Okay, here we have to set our pig underscore home and the location where we have installed. Okay, so let's put here. They have put Java, and wherever you want you can put here. Okay, so before path, I'm just getting. I've already have in my instructions, right? Okay, my instructions. Okay. So let's go ahead. It's class closed. Okay, pig underscore home equal to home. Be careful here. Okay, it should not be any typos. HD user. And since I had on my HD user only, I'm going to give the HD user path only, and pig. Okay, this is the path that you have to give. Okay. This is the path that you have to give, and save this one. And the same way, you have to excuse me, you have to set the path also for this one. The same old how they have set the path here. Just set like dollar pig underscore home dash pin. Okay, this is what you have to do for two things. Okay, export and home this one. Okay, once this is done, you have to save. Yeah, here is there. Okay, you can see this one. The same instructions I have put here. Okay, the same thing, and path also I have set for input path. Okay, so once this is done, just close this one. Okay, just close this one. Okay, I've closed now. So once this is done, we have to issue one more command, source bash rc. What is this mean is, it will force your bash rc file to apply the current changes to your system. Okay, so if you are not applying this one, you may not see that what we are trying to see here. Okay, so let's see here what will happen. Okay, so we are done with all these three steps, and the fourth step is what? We have to check our whether it is installed perfectly or not. Okay, so okay. Okay, now you can see that this is the one we should be able to see that one. So if you are seeing this one, means your pig installation is successful. If you are not seeing this version of your pig, that is something went wrong. So you have to completely restart your instructions. Okay, so this is how we have to install our pig software on our virtual machine. Just to follow these instructions. Okay, if you have any issues, please contact me on Shiva SHIVA 509203 @gmail.com. Okay, thank you all.